Hello, space explorers. Yuvraj here. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen that big glowing orb shining above us, lighting up the darkness? That's the moon, Earth's only natural satellite, always faithfully circling our planet. For thousands of years, people have gazed up in wonder, asking what the moon is made of, why it changes shape, and if we could ever visit its mysterious surface. The moon has inspired poets, artists, scientists, and dreamers from every corner of the world, sparking creativity and curiosity. It's a world of its own, with towering mountains, deep craters, and a surface shaped by billions of years of cosmic collisions and impacts. Unlike Earth, the moon has almost no atmosphere, no air to breathe, no wind to blow, and no weather to change its landscape. That's why it's covered in so many craters from meteoroids, each one telling a story of ancient impacts. Every person who has ever lived, from the earliest humans to us today, has looked up and seen the same moon shining down. From ancient civilizations who built monuments to honor it, to modern astronauts who set foot on its surface, the moon connects us all across time and space. It's a shared wonder that drives us to explore, fuels our curiosity, and brings people together in awe and excitement. Why is it there? How did it form? What secrets does it hold beneath its surface and in its shadowy craters? These questions have led to incredible discoveries, from moon rocks brought back by astronauts to new ideas about our solar system's history. In this journey, we'll explore how the moon moves through space, how it affects life on Earth, and the amazing stories of those who dared to travel there. Get ready. Our adventure to explore our closest celestial neighbor is just beginning, and there's so much more to discover. The moon is more than a nightlight. It's a gateway to science, imagination, and the mysteries of the universe. So what do you wonder about when you look at the moon? Let your curiosity lead the way as we begin this cosmic adventure. How does the moon stay up in the sky? It's all about gravity, the invisible force that keeps everything in the universe in motion and in place. Earth's gravity pulls on the moon, holding it close, but the moon is also moving sideways, very fast, at about 1 kilometer per second. This balance between gravity and motion keeps the moon in orbit like it's always falling toward Earth, but never actually landing. It's a delicate dance, a constant tug of war. The moon's path around Earth takes about 27.3 days, a sidereal month, measured by its position relative to distant stars. But because Earth is also moving around the sun, the moon needs a little extra time to catch up. It takes 29.5 days for the moon to return to the same spot in our sky, which is called a synodic month. That's why our months are about 29 to 30 days long, following the rhythm of the moon's phases as they wax and wane. The moon spins on its axis in the same time it orbits Earth. This is called synchronous rotation, and it's why the same side always faces us. No matter where you are on Earth, you'll always see the same familiar face of the moon looking back at you. The far side isn't always dark. It gets just as much sunlight as the side we see. We just can't view it from Earth without the help of spacecraft. This cosmic dance between Earth and moon is a beautiful example of physics in action, playing out above us every night. Imagine being an astronaut floating above the moon and seeing the mysterious hidden side with your own eyes for the very first time. The moon doesn't actually change its shape, but it appears different to us throughout the month. These changing appearances are called its phases, and they follow a regular repeating cycle. The moon shines because it reflects sunlight, not because it produces its own light. As it orbits Earth, the angle between the sun, Earth, and moon changes, so we see varying amounts of its sunlit side from our perspective. When the moon is positioned between Earth and the sun, the side facing us is in shadow. This is called the new moon, and it appears completely dark in the night sky. As the moon moves along its orbit, a thin sliver of light becomes visible. This is the waxing crescent phase, when the illuminated part is slowly growing. About a week after the new moon, we see half of the moon's face lit up. This is known as the first quarter, even though it looks like a half moon to us. As days pass, more of the lit side becomes visible, leading to the waxing gibbous phase, where most of the moon is illuminated but not yet full. When Earth is directly between the sun and the moon, the entire face of the moon is lit up. This is the full moon, shining brightly in the sky. After the full moon, the illuminated part begins to shrink. This is called waning, and the phases are waning gibbous, third quarter, and finally waning crescent, as the moon returns to darkness. The entire lunar cycle, from one new moon to the next takes about 29.5 days to complete. Next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to notice the moon and try to figure out which phase it's in. Is the bright part growing larger, waxing, or is it shrinking smaller, waning? Observing this can help you track the moon's journey. The phases of the moon create a beautiful, predictable pattern in our sky, connecting us to the rhythms of nature and time. So, what phase will you see tonight? Take a look and become part of this ancient, ongoing cycle. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating tides. Water bulges out on the side closest to the moon. This is high tide. There's also a high tide on the opposite side, as Earth is pulled away from the water there. As Earth spins, most coasts experience 2 high and 2 low tides each day. The sun's gravity also affects tides, but less than the moon. When the sun, Earth, and moon line up, we get extra high spring tides. When they're at right angles, we get weaker neap tides. Tides mix ocean nutrients and create habitats for countless creatures. The moon's pull is vital for life on Earth. Our planet and its oceans are shaped by this gravitational dance. The next time you visit the beach, thank the moon for the waves. For centuries, the moon was out of reach, until the space race changed everything. In 1969, Apollo 11 landed Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the moon, while Michael Collins orbited above. Armstrong's first step was watched by millions. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. The moon's gravity is just 1/6 of Earth's, so astronauts could leap and bound across its surface. They collected samples, set up experiments, and changed history in just a few hours. Between 1969 and 1972, 12 astronauts walked on the moon, teaching us about its and our own origins. Would you have the courage to go? Long before rockets, people explained the moon with stories and myths. The Romans worshipped Luna, the Greeks called her Selene, and in East Asia, many see a rabbit in the moon. The Chinese jade rabbit pounds the elixir of life. In Japan, it makes mochi. In Europe, people saw the man in the moon, sometimes a figure punished for misdeeds. These myths show how the moon has inspired cultures everywhere. It's been a calendar, a guide, and a source of wonder. From werewolves to love stories, the moon is woven into our imagination. Every culture has its own moon stories. What's yours? The moon truly belongs to everyone. Now it's your turn to explore. Start your own moon mission from your backyard or window. Become a moon watcher. Look for the moon every day and keep a moon log. Draw its shape, note the time, color, and position in the sky. After a month, you'll see the phases for yourself and spot patterns. Compare your observations to what you've learned. This is real science. Ask questions. Why can you sometimes see the moon during the day? Do people elsewhere see the same phase? The answer: yes. The moon connects us all. What would you want to discover if you could send a robot to the moon? The moon is vital for life on Earth. Its gravity stabilizes Earth's tilt, giving us steady seasons and a stable climate. Without the moon, Earth's tilt could wobble wildly, making life much harder. The moon also slows Earth's rotation, gradually lengthening our days. Billions of years ago, days were just 6 to 8 hours long. The moon's pull gives us tides, shapes our climate, and even affects the length of our day. It's a cosmic anchor, a silent guardian, and a key part of Earth's story. Without the moon, life as we know it might not exist. Everything in the universe is connected, especially us and our moon. The next time you look up, remember how much we owe to our lunar neighbor. What's next for the moon? We're heading back. NASA's Artemis program and other space agencies plan to send astronauts to the moon again. The goal: build a base camp and learn to live there. Scientists are excited about water ice at the moon's poles. It could provide water, air, and even rocket fuel. The moon could become a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. Living on the moon will teach us how to survive on other worlds and develop new technologies. It's the perfect place to practice for bigger journeys. The moon is our cosmic laboratory and stepping stone to the stars. Exploring the moon helps us understand our place in the universe. It inspires the next generation of explorers, maybe you. The moon holds secrets of our past and the key to our future. Keep looking up. The next giant leap could be yours.